get serious. Believe you can do this. Low. Double bob strike. Come on. Get aggressive. Get mad about something. Now singles. Pull like you're breaking a stick over your knee. Your body's going down and up. Now zigzag to your right. Body up. Right again. Can you come down? I know you can. Left. Touch your elbows to your thighs. That's your goal. Get there. Come on. Yeah. Capoeira. Grab right. Step straight back. I'm turning my torso. Now squat. Big. Other side. Throw. Throw. One big squat. Raise your glass up. Woo! Come on. Switch. Get your knee all the way up. Right hand goes high. Touch the floor. Good. High again. Touch the floor. Double bob. Double bob. Yeah. Woo! Single throw. Down, down. Stay down though. Stay down. Double bob.